Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making a 2-ingredient dessert. You need just cream cheese and any flavored ice cream. Here I've taken mixed berry ice cream. You can use chocolate, vanilla or any flavor you like. Take that into a bowl, mix it really well using a blender and make it creamy. Now take some digestive biscuits, dip it in milk or coffee, then place it into the serving bowls. Add the ice cream and cream cheese mixture on top of the biscuits. You can also add some chopped nuts in between to get that extra crunch for your dessert, but I like it this way, very creamy and smooth. Now lastly, top it with one more biscuit dipped in milk. Now refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours and it's ready to dig in. Look how creamy it is. It's so delicious, very easy to make. So do try out this recipe. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.